While reading Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover, we realize that debt is our biggest enemy that stops us from achieving financial freedom. In his book, he has mentioned 7 steps that will enable us to take the situation into our own hands and tackle the debt issue. The first step is saving 1 lakh rupees as soon as possible. It isn't a huge amount, but it's a first step that teaches us to be disciplined, and the savings can be used as emergency funds for an unexpected rainy day. The second step is to create a debt snowball. Since we have identified the debt as our enemy, it simply means no debt, no problems. But there's hardly any household or a family without an ongoing loan or debt. The trick, however, is to identify and accept it. Only then you can fight it. So make a list of ongoing loans, be it home, car, or any other commitment. The third step is again to stay true to the basics. With all our energy and focus spent towards foreclosing, we would end up with no outstanding loan except home loan. At this stage, the author again asks us to reserve a minimum of 6 amounts of funds which you can use as emergency funds. There's no need to invest this in bonds, stocks, or any other asset. This reserve needs to be liquid. The fourth step is to maximize retirement investments. Retirement means security, a stage or a point where your money is working for you. But ideally, your retirement starts at an early stage in your career where you are allocating 15% of your income towards investing in any asset with a minimum of 7 to 12% of returns. The fifth step is to pay off the home mortgage. Now is the time you spend all your energy to pay the home mortgage. However, if we would start with the home loan, we would spend most of our time on a single loan, thereby stopping us from doing the aforementioned 4 steps. With all the liabilities gone, the sixth step is building wealth like crazy. Now is the time to put the money to work and invest in high-yield assets like real estate, mutual funds, stocks, etc. Make sure you work with the advisors of respective field who can help you maximize your returns on your investment. The final step is living like no one else. Having completed all the 6 steps, you now fall in the 1% of the population. This extra income can be utilized for fun, investments, and giving back to the society. We are sure by now you must have realized how debt affects our financial stability. So do you have a plan to beat it? We do. Introducing the Loan Liability Reducer program. To know more, please call our realty advisors of DreamWorks Realty.